We got 8 to go, bud.
Yep.
And hopefully there's a Grail or an Ultra Grail in there.
Yeah, like hopefully get a Grail, but Ultra Grail, we really need to join the Ultra Grail Club.
We do. All right, so which one do we think the Ultra Grail is in today? Which has the magic ticket to the Ultra Grail Club for us? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5.
They're trying to. Yeah, it's the last one because the people that put the things in, they're making us wait.
That's what it is? Okay.
Yeah.
They're trying to trick us. All right. There it goes. Is Mickey right? Oh my God! You were right, a Grail! Our first Grail ever! Holy cow!
I was right!
You did it! Look at him!
We got a Grail!
We got a Grail!
Yes!
Grail Vader.
I cannot believe we got our first Grail.
We finally did. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at how cool he is. All right.
He's stealing
Go. Look at that. Statometer 11. Look at that, buddy. Number 651. Look at that. Look at that Grail.
Like.
Finally.
Yeah, like one more and it's the highest star.
Right. Ultra Grail's the highest you could get, but look at that. Finally. Oh! Nikki head hugs.
So the harder I squeeze, the better we get.
You know, that better be true if I'm going to go through that. Amazing! Yes! All right, guys. Super cool. We'll see you soon enough. Maybe we can keep this going. Whew. That's awesome. I'm so excited. All right, we'll be back.